Hey, it's MK, and I am here with a Figure It Out Friday, and it is going to go by pretty stinking quick because I feel like the background is already complete. I do not have to add any more papers or anything, and so I've already got my title and my picture all the way back from Monday. So all I basically did was collect some embellishments from Wednesday or for Wednesday. And then that's all I'm going to try to figure out. I am going to add a little bit of black cardstock around my picture just so it pops a little bit more off the page. I felt like it kind of blended in just a little bit too much. So I'm going to just trim that off and add this. Now I do not have this sped up very fast because if not, it would be like a 4-second video. I just wanted to let you guys know that I slowed it down a little bit for you guys. Well, I sped it up, but slewed it down. Yep, I slewed it down. So that way you guys can kind of see what is going on, but yet it wasn't so slow that you guys lost interest. So this tag here is actually a homemade tag. I took some of that 49 and Market washi tape from, I don't remember exactly what collection it was from. I can't remember if it was from Spectrum Sherbert or if it was from one of the coastal one, the beachy one. I can't remember which one they just did. But anyways, I've got this tag that I made from washi tape and cardstock and then added, it was already pre-made, and I pulled all of these embellishments from my cruise kit that I have for this particular cruise. This is the 2024 cruise. And so, yes, that is where I ended up pulling out all of my embellishments. I'm going to use this little rub-on. It says Friends, and I'm going to just decorate this tag a little bit more so it blends in a little bit with the background. Not really knowing where any of my embellishments are going to go. I know that as I was picking them out, I was deciding, oh, this one's going to go up here, that one's going to go there. Can I cover this little word up? Because all of these little simple stories embellishments have these words, and in all honesty, they don't really fit because they say the exact same thing over and over and over again, and you just really don't want that. No, you don't. All right, so I've got this leaf with the star that I really want to show. I've got this porthole with another star and what looks like the hair from a pineapple, and then I don't know if it's a ticket behind there or not. My camera keeps fading in and out. Golly, you guys, I really need to switch to my new system. But I'm one of those where it's a trust issue, you guys. I know my camera is recording. I can see that my camera is recording because it's one of those old cameras where I can flip the screen and see myself up there and whether or not, whereas my new system, I got to trust it. I have to know, I have to trust that I pushed the button. I have to trust that it's recording. I have to trust that I am in the screen. And in all honesty, I just need to do it. I really, really do. So I think starting sometime in August, because I've already pre-recorded a bunch of August films, I just can't do the fuzzy film anymore, you guys. I know that it's driving me nuts, and in all honesty, I can't even imagine what it's doing for you guys. I just can't. To me, it just looks unprofessional, and as much as I want to continue to record for you guys, I can't edit these types of films. So anyways, that's my spiel. I'm done harassing myself, even though you guys are like, it's fine. We love what you make. And I do appreciate that very, very much. Okay, so I'm going to take these paper clips, or clothespins are what they are. They're a 49 and Market product that came in the embellishment packs. They had a cute little cluster pack that they used to make. I really did like those cluster packs because for those that struggled with clusters, it was a great learning tool. Because not only do you make the 4 or 5 that they suggested that you make, but then there was leftovers for you guys to make your own as well. So I really did love that that was out there for those that needed the extra boost on making the embellishments. And then they were here and then they were gone. It was like it was a trial and error type of thing. Same with the page kits. I really liked the page kits too, because again, you got to build the pages, but then you had tons of leftovers to go and build your own pages. And they were great starters for those that struggled where to start on a kit. But yeah, they're no more. They're gone. And I'm missing it. Right? Not that I ever used a page for what it was, but I really liked having those base pages to start with. It was a little extra for you to add to a kit that you already had. Like if you bought the papers and a few embellishments, then you could buy that, the ultimate page kit, I think is what it was called, and turn around and have a little bit more added, 4 little pieces of paper added, not little, but you get what I mean. You get what I'm saying. And then a ton of embellishments. And I just really like the little add-ons and the little specials and the little, they're not in the kit, but they're in the kit type of thing. Anyways, so here I'm just deciding where I want all the things. The little tickets that I'm using are actually the washi tape. Again, I can't remember if they're washi tape from Spectrum Sherbert or if they're washi tape from the collection that we used for the cruise. Now, I don't remember what the cruise collection was called, you guys, for this particular one. This was in 2024. And I'm actually planning for cruise 2028. If you guys need to know that. I can't tell you where we're going yet because I don't know. But yeah, I'm so far in the future, I do not remember what kit we used for 2024. I do know that it was mostly based off of Simple Stories, but I added this washi tape because a lot of the colors matched for me. Adding this washi tape, and the Simple Stories one was a long retired kit, and we were lucky to get what we got for the 2024, because I guess it came out in 2021, somewhere in there. So we were really lucky to get all the embellishments that we did, or papers and things, from the Simple Stories. All right, so anyways, I am figuring out how. I know I want to attach my butterflies to make it look like they're being held on with these little clothespins. And what I did was I took the clothespins and I actually took the springy thingy out. And that way I ended up with 2 halves of a clothespin, and then just the 1 half is being shown on my layout, which makes sense to me because you can't see the other half when it's clipped behind, right? So I just reduced it in half, and the also cool part is now it's not uber super thick. So I don't have to worry about it being too thick for my album when I took the spring out. Now I have 2 halves of a clothespin, and then I'm just using glue dots to replace or to add the clothespins to my layouts. And then I'm just covering up the butterfly bodies to get them to look like they are attached to my layout using these clothespins. That's it. I also made sure that I strategically covered up the words from the Simple Stories little clusters that they had going on there. And I'm super happy with this layout, you guys. I love layouts when the background does all the work for me. I know I've said that multiple times, but I actually love when a background does all the work for me, and all I have to do is add a few embellishments and bam, I am done. Now I do know that this layout was an uber super cheat because I had to pull out my title and my photo or photos before I could make the background. It is just how some backgrounds come together, to be honest. But all the way, the process of this has been super fun. I've really enjoyed it. I hope that we can bring back Messy Monday, What Goes With It Wednesday, and Figure It Out Friday soon. If you guys are enjoying these types of videos, just please comment and let us know down below, and we will make sure that we bring them back. If not, it was a good run. I really did enjoy this month with you guys. All right. Again, thank you so much, and I will see you guys in August. Bye.